subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Infinix Smart 7 back in February this year, the company has now launched another smartphone under the same lineup in India as Infinix Smart 7 HD with quite cool looking design. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The Infinix Smart 7 HD features a tall 6.6-inch HD Plus IPS display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter alongside the LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. The rear panel of the phone houses an AI-featured dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes an 8-megapixel primary sensor along with the unspecified secondary lens. Under the hood, the Infinix Smart 7 HD comes powered by Uni-SoC SC963A1 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8322 GPU. The smartphone packs with 2GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 2GB by using internal storage, and it has 64GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 Undercore edition based on XOS 12 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microUSB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.88 by 75.51 by 8.65mm, and it weighs around 196 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Infinix Smart 7 HD has been priced in India at 5,999 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from May 4th in silk blue, ink black, and jet white color options. So what do you guys think of this Infinix Smart 7 HD smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.